Tired of paying ATM fees just to access your own money? With Chime, you don't have to. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I will show you exactly how to avoid ATM fees when using your Chime debit card and keep more money in your pocket. So let's start. So all you have to do is just get their Chime Visa debit card, because Chimes give you access to over 50,000 free ATMs across the US. You can find them at popular places like Walgreens, CVS, 7-Eleven, Target, Walmart, and more. So for that, all you have to do is just open your Chime app like this and then click on this ATM map to find a free one near you. No surcharge, no hidden fee, just your money. Don't you see free ATM nearby? Then no worries. Just get cashback when you make a purchase at store using your Chime card. This works great at grocery stores, drugstores, and retail chain. It's safe and fast. It's also fee-free. But don't use ATMs that aren't part of the Chime network. Why? Because Chime may charge a $2.50 fee and the ATM owner may charge even more. And that's money waste. Always check your Chime app ATM finder before withdrawing and plan ahead. Stay in network and avoid fees every single time. That's it for this video. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.